This is how you make a zero carb Cool Ranch Dorito that actually tastes like a Cool Ranch Dorito. My name is Dan, and I've been teaching others how to make favorite comfort foods a little bit healthier, higher in protein. Here's that recipe. Starting out with Mission Brand Zero Net Carb Tortillas. There are 15 in a package, and it will make you 90 chips. Here comes our seasoning mix. This is the most important. 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, 2 teaspoons of paprika, 4 teaspoons of ranch powder. Mix it on up. In a large bowl, you're going to throw all of your cut tortillas in, add a little bit of spray, shake it on up, make sure all of your chips are coated. We're adding our seasoning half at a time. Shake that thing on up, shake it, shake it, shake it. Add the rest of your paprika, shake that baby up one more time, and it is going to go in your oven, 375 degrees for about 6 minutes. I am putting them on a tray, getting them elevated so it cooks on the top and the bottom. Do not burn these. They will not taste good. And enjoy them, my friends.